po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is August 10. 10 or 11? 10. Hi ka daw na. Hi. Let's go na. Simba na kami. Oras na. 9:04 na siguro. Simula na simba 9. Jaden!
Good morning. Kalautom na.
I know. Anong oras na, de?
Quarter to 11.
Quarter to 11. Dapat kanina pa kami, kaya lang pinadidi mo na namin si Jaden.
Mayabang.
Hindi mo makatulog. Ay, dahil nakatulog pala siya. Kaya lang na-istorbo. May dalawang batang pumunta doon sa nursing room. Ang sabihin ko, alis kayo dito ako. Pero hindi, sinabi ko, play with the other kids. Sabi ko. Kaya lang, alam mo naman si Jaden, de. Matindi ang kanyang ears.
Main retos. Main retos.
Gutom pa siya, oh. Di pa bumaba yung ininom niya. Naka-fist pa siya. De. Ay. Naya! Hi! Hi! Are you pretty?
You make a very nice sticker. Yes, beautiful, eh? Kaya mo pipitsugin ng sticker ko.
Pati yung bond paper.
Kaya pipitsugin.
Look at your hair.
Kaya makana nung imadakaling gastusin yun siya.
Yeah. Oh, careful.
Okay, sige.
Grabe. Mainit. Sobra. Mainit, ma.
Let's go, sticker.
Dede. Dede. Ayoko. Dede. Ayoko. Ayoko.
Ilan na nga lang yung group mo. Pinapawisan. Ha? What's that?
What is it? Dito muna kami. Pinalamig muna ni daddy yung sasakyan. Mainit, sobra. Parang kahapon, di man nagpark siya na daddy. 40 degrees plus humid.
Behind the tree.
Jaden! Tinan mo yung mukha niya, de. Eczema? Sa init yan.
You're at your phone. That's okay.
Oh, hey guys. It's like good to see the sun.
Kayo pa magkain.
Oo nga. Wala namang naghihintay eh. Wala namang naghihintay. Right? Di naman sila nagmamadali. Ayan na, ang ate siya.
It's windy. It's windy. The hair is going to your mouth. Oh, it's windy.
Wow.
Na, ate siya, mati na mama. Oh. Sa diaper niya.
Something na yun. Bayo yung diaper mo. Bayo mo.
Baka yung nasa gilid dito. Bisaya kayang YOGURT? Oo, niya siya. Ito kayang gilid. Nang malapit dun sa electric pan. Naya!
Naya, Eh, this is mine. Sa atin yung kaya gustong wild antin. Eh, na kaya yan. Yang pituki-tuki mo pang painom kaya.
Cheers! Panda mag-cheers! Cheers! Ah, what's in your nose? What's in your nose? Choink! Choink!
Ayun pa rin muna. Salpak mo niya kitang kaya.
Ano?
Holder. Kitang mount.
Ano siya? Convenient. Kaya mahal. Ah, ayun yun! Ngayon siya mag-ano, si Simba.
Ano yan?
Corvette.
Yung Corvette, oh.
Corvette.
Sayang no, Janaya. Kanina pa siya. Kita natin, pa-picture ka no, anak.
Nakamunta.
Pinapauna ka yata, eh. What's that? Yummy yogurt? Is it done? Naman daw. Punta kami ng Canadian Tire. Hanap si mamang ng kaserola. Kaserola ba yung tawag? Kaserola.
Ano yun?
Hindi nagkukwentuhan. Pwede ka naman dumaan. Hindi pwede? Alanganin?
Isa ko pala yung pagkwento tayo may liling sakit.
Wapen.
Ha?
Iba talaga yung mga tao dito.
Wala namang bawal kayo pagkwento eh. Basta makalala kayo nung sa akin.
Iwa, ma'am?
Ah, uwi na rin kasi siya din.
Oo, ngayon eh.
Bisaya ka nung milk pa, nakto.
Milk?
Mamaya na anak. Malapit na tayo.
We will make milk, okay?
Yeah. Rest for a while.
Cover yourself.
Rest your
Cover
tummy.
yourself. It's hot.
Bahay dalang kini.
Yan.
Bayo yan, ispalto.
Bagong kulay. May gawanan eh.
Bayo,
O,
ispalto.
timpakan dyan mo.
Timpakan naman, siyempre. Pero kinutkud na pa yan. Nakakalo pa Pilipinas, timpakan na dyan.
Kaya lalong nasisira na.
Kaya nikutkuran din luma.
Uning kini ya sagol ya ayalilan daling yaman masyadong pangkapal kasi din.
Masira mo rin kasi kayo winter.
Winter wa.
Majinit. Ito na kami na Canadian Tire. Right there. Nakaharang yung puno. Kasi na mamang. Kasi dyan na. Jaden. Akala ba gusto ng gatas ni Janaya? Nakalimutan niya. Naya!
Coffee, mommy, coffee.
Coffee? Here. Ah. Ma, gusto mo? Gusto mo, ma? Up nyo. Anong kasing up nyo? Double. Yan, double. Naka-sale, 20 lang.
Nakatiyang bayan tulatan na dyan.
Nanong wape? Diyos ko.
Brown.
Nanong
Ganda,
Nanong matanting.
Blue. Ay, sorry, ma. Double to?
Wait, Mela, wait. Go to, wait, oh, double. Wait. Nanong masanting ako ulit.
Ikaw, ano nyo? Twin.
Twin nga yan. Ang ipalpira na.
Yan, double din to, Oh, double din yan, sa baba. Ayun na, Mayo. Yan, ganda. No? Double. Isa lang?
Tingkang pera?
Wala. Ayaw mo na ng iba? Para may ano? Ay, oo, yan. Ganda, ma. Oo. Yan, ganda yan. Tara. Kuha tayo ng cart mo. Ayaw ng cart? Okay, lagay mo dun sa baba nung ano ni Darren. Sige, para di mo buhat. Ayun no, Daddy. Kunin mo yung ano ni Mama. Tanim na naman ah. Mama, ngangawit ka. Bala ka. Ask Daddy, buy that for you.
Where are we going to put it?
Doon sa ano, gilid. Alisin yung ano niya. 500 lang oh.
May nagbebenta ng hammock sa hammock place eh. Yung may tray.
Ah, gusto
Brand
niya
new.
oh.
Gusto lang niya ngayon.
You like it? Ask Daddy to buy it for you.
Come on, sit in the chair.
Oh, sit in another chair. It's okay, anak. Thank you for inviting Mommy. Oo. Enjoy siya. You want to sit there? Right there, on the other one. Right there. The gray one. Oh, see. You want me to put you? Okay, I hold it. Okay, go. Go.
Okay.
There you go. And then swing. There, gusto niya. Gusto niya.
Kaya, salwal tayo ng hammock.
500.
Dali, itong
Magkano?
marketplace.
Tingnan ko.
Brand new yan. Ito may bukla.
Tingnan. Magkano?
Brand new yan.
Enjoy siya.
Android.
Ha? Anong style niya?
Ang monthly lang.
100 lang siya?
Yan na brand. Brand new bukla.
Sige.
Ikan sali.
Sige.
Ikan sali.
Sige.
Tinala ka.
Sige.
Baka mo na yung makasi lagi.
Kitang doon sa ano niya. Doon sa house.
Baka mo na itang tayo na.
You really love it here? You like it here?
Mom, can I see Mommy?
Huh?
Can I see you, Mom?
Swing? There you go. Oh, aray ko. Jaden! Jaden, love.
Yan o.
Baka nandito tayo na.
Ay, yung anak mo eh.
Akala ko kaserola bibili natin. O, tara na anak ko. Let's go. Let's go with mamang.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Chair.
Chair. Over here. Let's go. I found mama. Woo. Woo.
Lost?
Okay.
Ano yun eh?
Yan, Tefal ba yan? Non-stick? Maganda ba yan?
And I go, Mama, and I go.
Titanium eh.
Okay na yan.
Kasi yun, kaya yun.
Ayaw mo yan.
Patang pipapirit man tama.
Ayan ang gusto mo.
Ito buri kasi yun. Yung antinin yung buri ko tang pino. Kasi
Mm,
magaspang yun.
true. Naya, stay with us. Yan na lang.
29.
Stay with us. Okay. Okay. Wala na? Ano pa? Wala na, ma. Ito, ma, nakaset, oh. 163. Ang mura naman ng ano to, rice cooker na to. $70. Nasa yung mga ano nila, pang bake.
Something na itang rice cooker na.
That's another.
Another, maybe in the side. Torch.
All open. Yan, silicone.
Nasaan yung iba?
Silicone. Ay, alik, silicone mo.
Yan na lang ang pang ano. Yan, nandito. Right here, anak. Here. Let's go. Nine by 13.
Bang kanita masantin yung mag-15 kilos niya. Janaya, where are you?
Nine by 13. Bigat ah. Kaya pala mahal. Ang nipis naman na kasi. 9 by 13. Ang liit naman nasa babaw niya. Hindi maganda. Ito. 9 by 13. Laman. Laman. Pang bake. Ano naman to? Char. Baka sa kabila. Is that a ball? Silicone na. That's a baseball. Is that a baseball? Aray! Awi, awi. Nay, put it back, anak. Put it back. Silicone na? Silicone na? Scoop? Soup.
Mas yun.
Pang soup. Yan, ano?
Come here. Don't worry, it's okay.
Yama.
We will fix it.
Pang soup.
We will fix it. Silicone niya. Aliya.
Alaya.
No, no, don't care. They are good. They're okay.
The stuff to put it back where you get it, okay? Yung kulay puti, no, ma? Yung kulay puti sa bahay, no? Yung ating makantan, eh.
Wow, ang antita sanang silikon.
Mm.
Kasi nung puti yung antita putang kayo magkain nila. Yung silicone makantito yan. Lang. Pero magkano nito yung ikalagay?
Ano ma?
Tangkurel ka.
Yan no? Diyan. Saan kayo pumunta ni Jayden de?
It's okay, my love. Don't eat more.
Bilhin tayo ng ano dito? Hindi pa kailangan de?
Okay lang.
Ba hindi pa? Naka-sale, ano Oo. Pag bumili ka ng gamit, maganda dito sa Canadian Tire. Makamura ka. Meron palang maliit na ano dito de. Coffee maker de. Daddy, may maliit na kurig. $89.
Maliit na.
Kurig.
Ang kulit.
Coffee maker. Di man kasi kayo nagaganyan, no, de? Sandwich maker. Parang mahal naman ang basket ng bike na to. Sana si Janaya. Nabay ko. Oo. Right there. Let's go. Let's go. Ito pala yung mga toys eh. On this side. More. Go. Go. I saw Peppa Pig. I saw Peppa Pig, Naya. Right here. I saw Peppa Pig. Mama Pig? Is it Mama Pig? Yeah. And baby Peppa Pig. Oh yeah, she's pretty, eh? She got a dress. Mm-hmm.
Baby.
That one is baby.
Hello. Dad?
Yeah, it's baby. Yeah, take a bath, eh? It's taking a bath.
Oh, Mario.
Is that Mario?
So many toys, Mommy.
So yeah, so many toys. I know, anak. Yes, you can take it. And then hug. It's so big. Yeah, baby Peppa. Okay, you can put it back now.
Okay.
Good job, my love. You want me to take a picture with you, Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Okay, let's go. Ah. Daddy! Call Daddy. Call Daddy. What you're having daw, de? De, what you're having daw?
Kumain nga dito. Awag ka.
Naya, look at this. Okay, let's go. Let's wait Daddy over there. Let's go.
Daddy.
What's that? It's okay. What's that? Oh, right here. What's in here? Naya, come. Ngay. Look at that, Naya.
Go play ano ba ba?
Tiki.
Oh.
Go push. Yeah, it's a construction hut. Construction hut. Ang talari natin.
Na? Nasa ano? Ano to, ma? Pondo.
Ano mo yung pundo? Pundo ko.
Magpondong pupo.
Put back the candle first. To say happy birthday.
Anong meron sa mga gato?
Showed me and they said it was dirty.
Play-Doh, karakal daw. Naya, look at this, oh. Naya, look at this, oh. What's that? Naya, look at this, oh. A small bag. A small backpack. Cute, eh?
Backpack. Spider-Man?
That's Spider-Man? That's a backpack, Spider-Man.
It's a backpack.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty. Ay, look. Hello Kitty.
Dahil lakad na kami kaya papuntang Dolorama. No? Janaya. Ne? Oh, idinaya sa Kayla. Ikaming Jayden maglakad. Nema, lakad na ako ng papuntang Dolorama. Malayo-layo. Oo. I-Jayden kasi eh. Katutulog lang eh. Si Jayden tulog. Lumal na ako na. Thank you. Sige din eh. Naglalakad ako. Kasi kakatulog lang ni Jayden. Kung ilalagay namin siya sa kotse, magising. Para hindi ma-istorbo, para medyo mahaba-haba ang kanyang tulog bago ilagay sa car seat ulit. Punta ako ng Dolorama. Nakita akong relo na pambata. Kasi gusto ni Janaya ng relo. Tignan natin. Si Jayden. Ngidit pa mo. Kami sa Dolorama.
Sayot na mga pupang mo.
Ano ba niya? Dating kamang yan?
Ang popogi kong alabla. Ay, kapogi na. Kapogi naman ang tangkot na yan.
Nasaan yung relo niya, ma?
Saka ako.
Ah, okay. Kala ko naiwan niya.
Pugi.
Bakit de? Galing si na daddy sa TNT. Ay, nandito kami. Parkingan. Yan. Yan sila. Doon na kami sa mama. Para si Jason. Hindi mainitan. Buti, bakit sabi mo, let's go. Ah.
Ano man?
Mainit. Sobra.
What you call that one?
Go.
That is your knee? Is that your knee? Elbow. What's the shoulder?
Electric.
Shoulder.
Naya, where did you go? You go to shopping? What did you buy? What?
You buy a
Watch
clock.
down.
Ah, you buy a watch. Wow. Are you excited? Oh, good job. What's the color of the watch? You remember?
What's the color of your watch? Rainbow.
What's the color of the rainbow? Red.
Red.
Purple,
Purple.
purple,
Blue.
How many colors the rainbow? 7.
7,
What's the color? Red. Orange.
orange,
Yellow.
Yellow.
yellow,
Green.
Yayo. Yayo yung ba?
Green.
Yayo.
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Purple.
Purple.
Indigo.
Indigo.
Yellow.
yellow,
Yellow.
yellow,
Yellow. What? Yellow.
It's not yayo. It's not yayo, mama. It's
Not yellow.
yellow,
Ah, yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Naghihintay kami kay Daddy. Bili si Daddy ng chicken. Gusto mo ng fries, Naya?
I'm so tired na singing.
Naya? You say, in lagyu ko.
Ing lagyu ko, Naya. Ing lagyu ko. Bebe. Sige na, follow mamang. Ing lagyu ko. Ing. Say ing. Lagyu. Lagyu.
Hindi niya kaya.
Nga po ko. Lagyu. Okay.
Nagsasalita lang si Janaya. Tumatawa si Jayden.
Oh.
This is so pretty. She's happy.
He's
Yeah,
happy.
He is happy because you keep talking. If you talk, Jaden is happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big boy. Big boy.
Good boy ka naman. Good boy ka, no?
What is eating, Mom?
Where?
What is eating? Where?
What is eating, Mama?
What is that?
Ah, pizza.
Pizza.
No.
Yeah, little critters.
Eating strawberry.
Strawberry, no?
Strawberry.
Mukha nga naman siyang strawberry, matina mo.
Antayin.
Pa-triangle, pero may bilog-bilog.
Yeah.
Kaya akala niya strawberry. You
Yeah,
know?
pizza.
Ayan na.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong? Helper. But it means it's Mama Peter.
Mhm.
Why, Jesus? Why? What's a man?
Kami. So hot. Mag-aalauna na ng tanghali. Please, please, please. Go. Run, 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 run. Sige na. Run. Ay, pala. Let's go. Walk na. Sa bahay na tayo, Tong-Tong. Finally. Finally, Tong-Tong ko.
Remove your shoes and
Na, nainip na siya kanina pa. We're home, kamo. Oh, let's eat. What are you gonna eat? Rice
Twice.
and chicken. Do you sleep? Will not open the watch. Wake up, daddy. Wake up, daddy. Wake up, daddy. Then kiss daddy. Wake up, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Wake up, daddy. Wake up. Oh, kiss mo, daddy.
Kiss mo. Kiss. Look na yan, look. Oh, lights. Oh, lights. Oh, lights. Set kaya pa, pamindutan niya rin eh.
Wala mo na.
Oh, set kaya pa rin. Pamindutan niya rin, yung kuya rin.
Hindi, pasulod mo lang mo.
Nirepair lang.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay, wear it. Oh, wow.
Light? Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay?
Press mo, press the lights. Press the lights. This one, this one.
Wow! Wow! Are you happy? Wow! You have a nice watch?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Show it to Mamang how to make a light.
Oh, how to make a light?
No, the top one.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Eya makaya? Eya ma-adjust yung oras na?
Oh, it can be. Only
Ay,
she doesn't know it.
ay, that's mine. I like it.
No, this is mine.
I like it. It has light.
No.
Sharing is caring.
Oh, I like it.
Okay.
Sure, sharing is caring.
Okay, it's yours, my love. I have my own watch, right?
Yeah, you have all right.
Yeah, it's ugly. My watch is ugly. See, no light. Ugly.
Mag-aalas 9 na ng gabi. Kanina, pagkatapos namin kumain, bandang 1:30, natulog kami ni Jaden. Tulog din si Janaya. Naya, say bye na daw. We're closing our vlog.
Bye.
Oh, you say subscribe,
To channel,
likes,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and share
and share.
para mas so many people will watch. Oh, you say good night na.
Good night.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Oh, good night na.
Good night.
Bulaga. Bulaga.
No.
Good night, Jaden. Good night daw, Jaden.
Good night.
Good night.